Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hi everyone. My name is Mukhtar Abdul Karim Sani and I'm from section 3. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to install Dev C++. We are first going to download it using our browser and then I will install it on my computer. So follow me to see the step-by-step process on how to do so. So the first thing you are going to do is to open your browser and search for this link. So this highlighted link is specifically the link for uh, downloading Dev C++. So there we have another alternative. If you find the link to be so bulky for you, you can just create new tab in your browser and search for Dev C++ just like this. So now we'll just hit enter and just wait for it to the page for the page to be loaded. So exactly what we are looking for. So here we can see all the information we need. So from this page, so we even have the small introduction about what Dev C++ is. So this is actually fit from Twitter. So this also is the okay, we can see all the information and this is the link exactly what we are looking for. So you can click on the link and wait for the link to be loaded. From here we can see that we are directly reloaded back to the link for Dev C++ on SourceForge. So now what is left for us is just to download the software. So just click on download button and wait for the download to be finished. Also, for your information, you can find all the information that you need. The feature of the website, you can see the project sample, and everything that you need to know. You can find time and read them to see exactly whether the software meets your specification or your system specification, and it's exactly what you are looking for. Now let's download our software. You just click on download button here and it will redirect us to a place where our download will start. So now we can save the download file anywhere you want in your system and wait for the download to be finished. Just wait for some minute and it will be okay. So now our software is being downloaded. Now we can just install our software. So the first thing we have to do is just to locate the place where we have downloaded our installation file. So I have downloaded the file on my desktop. So this is the file, and so all I have to do now is just to double click on the file and wait for the file to for the installation process to start. So now I just have to wait for the installation to complete. So I'm required to choose a language for the installer. So basically, you can have many languages and you can check according to your language preferences. So I want to use English. Okay, this is an agreement. Okay, and this is the installation of the components. So while doing that, just accept full. And you can also choose minimal installation or self installation or custom. I'm just going to use full. So this is a file or there's a folder where my application or my software is going to be installed, and the software needs 346.8 MB at least. So my installation is almost done. So just wait. So now our software has been successfully installed, and I can just finish the installation. So now, while clicking this finish button, it is going to open the software for me. So let's see what we can see exactly. So we can see from here we are asked to configure some settings. So first we are going to choose the language that the software will be communicating. So you can choose from all the available options that you find suitable, and I'm going to use English. So this is just to select your theme, and this is for font. You can choose from all these fonts that you find suitable, and this is the color for the code. You can have that of Visual Studio, Matrix, okay, Matrix, and anyone. But I'm just going to leave it on Classic. And there's icons look. So this is new look actually, and we have blue, which is everything is blue, and genome. So you can choose from which one you find suitable. So now our software has been configured successfully. So now we are all set. You can start to create C and C++ applications and compile them successfully. Thank you very much.